We've stopped for our first breakfast on our trip, and this is what we've got. We have omelette, honey, almond, like peanut butter, jam and olives, bread, hobbs. I've got a nos, orange juice and porridge as well to go with it. Here's Nora. Say hello, Nora.
Hi everyone. It's breakfast time.
Well, that's all breakfast taken care of now. The cafe behind me is the one that we just had breakfast at, which was very, very nice. We are actually in a town called Bereshid, and yeah, we're just going to head back to Bumble now. It's just over there, and we'll carry on our way. Where's Nora? Where is she? There she is there. So, did you enjoy breakfast?
Yeah, it's really lovely, nice and cheaper.
Yeah, the breakfast cost 64 dirham for what I showed you that we've had to eat, and yeah, it was really, really good as well. Now we're back on the bike after a lovely breakfast. We are just leaving the town of Bereshid, and I can hopefully tell you what's going on. Nora's finally finished work, which has given us some time now to get out on a biking adventure of our own. So we are on Bumble, and we are on our way to a place called Azud. Now, Azud is 260 kilometers approximately from Casablanca in kilometers, and there are some really nice waterfalls. So that is where we are heading. We're about 60 kilometers out of Casablanca now, and we should get there about mid-afternoon. And we're doing things slightly different this time, as in we're not going to grab a hotel or a hostel. We are camping it. I've got all the gear from my cycling, so that's what we're going to be using, which is good. It means I don't have to it doesn't cost anything then. It's been cloudy the last few days. It is cloudy today. However, it is starting to get rather warm right now. These waterfalls are quite famous in Morocco. We've brought the cameras, so hopefully we'll get some nice pictures and do some really good photography. And if I'm really lucky and it's a clear night, I might even be able to do some astrophotography as well, as I've brought my tripod as well. So yeah, so it's just going to be a case of making this up as we go, really, because once we get to Azud, we're going to spend a day or two there, and then we're going to head on to unknown destinations. As yet we've not decided 100% what to do, so as soon as I know, I'll tell everybody else. The road we're on is called the N9. And also these waterfalls are fairly close to Marrakesh, only about 30 or 40 kilometers, so if we decide to, we'll spend a day or two in Marrakesh, but like I said, nothing has been decided as yet. Now, as I said, Nora's finished work now, so she's finished with the employer that she was with. Her contract is finished, and she's decided to take a month off work now, so we can enjoy some touring around and hopefully seeing the sights of Morocco before she starts work again at the start of next month, which is August. The other thing about the waterfalls in Azud as well is the fact that they are high up in the mountains, so looking at the route, it looks like we've got some fairly interesting roads to negotiate as we go up the mountains, and I think it's going to be interesting, because I've never done sort of any form of, oh, what's he doing, any form of mountain riding really before, so it's going to be a bit of a learning curve all round, I think, today, but we'll see how things go. Let's just enjoy the ride for the moment.
I've been traveling a lot with no destination. I'm the man in the moon, I'm the last temptation. How much can you take till you're looking for the end? I feel the world turning, it's time for me to move again. I've seen many...
Well, we're at our next pit stop of a small town called El Baru, I think, from what I can read. There's Nora. Hey Nora, how are you enjoying the trip so far?
So hot.
Yeah, she's right in what she's saying. It's about 35 degrees at the moment. We are almost at the point now where we're going to start climbing soon. I think the roads are going to get very interesting, windy and all sorts, so yeah, kind of looking forward to them and not at the same time, but we'll see how we get on. Well, the sat nav has certainly sent us down some weird and wonderful roads today. The only good thing about it is there's no traffic. Roads and that, you know, apart from the odd car or two, is virtually deserted, and same on the streets, the shops and everything, they're really quiet at the minute because of it's so hot. Everybody tends not to come outside until about 4 or 5 o'clock. Fairly barren where we are at the moment as well, not much. Any harvesting that's needed to be done has been done. So even the fields are very quiet at the moment. We've stopped at a gas station for a few minutes so we can have a drink. It's getting rather hot now, and yeah, it's a great ride. The sat nav has sent us down some weird and wonderful roads, but it's been fun so far, hasn't been any problems. There's Nora over there doing her own social media and everything as well. So yeah, we'll get back on the road in a couple of minutes and we'll carry on with our journey. Alright, okay, we've definitely started on the windy parts of this road now.
Yeah. Road tripping, windows down, map on my knee, sun beating on the dashboard, wild and free. Got my boots and my hat and my rhymes in my head, leaving all the small town blues for the highway instead. Kick the dust off this one horse town. town. Gotta get to the city, spread the word around about this country boy with a whole lot of flow. Gonna mix that twang with a hip-hop show. Radio blasting, bass drum thumping, adrenaline pumping, ain't no more slumping. I chase that dream, gotta feel that fire, climbing up the ladder, taking it higher. Road tripping, windows down, map on my knee, sun beating on the dashboard, wild and free. Got my boots in my hat and my rhymes in my head, leaving all the small town blues for the highway instead. Stopped in Memphis, grabbed some barbecue, heard a blues man wailing, felt it through and through. He said, son, the road's a teaching kind of thing, breaks you down and builds you up, makes your spirit sing. So I take that wisdom, fuel for the ride, keep my eyes on the horizon, full of hope and pride. Every mile a memory, every town a song, know where I'm going, know where I belong. The road, it calls to me. Road tripping, windows down, sun beating down,
Salam.
Combien?
100.
One.
One.
Wahid Mia.
Si.
100 dirham. Si.
100. Ah.
So.
That doesn't look very good.
Yes.
Oh. Do you want to stop and get off for a minute?
I cannot hold. I hold my breath.
Well, we've stopped at a gas station and cafe for a cup of coffee, and there is a storm right where we're going. So we've taken the decision to stay at this garage and cafe. Let me spin you around. And the owner has kindly said that we can tent just here and stay overnight and leave in the morning, which is very nice of him. There's cameras all around, so I have no fear. He's registered with us with the police as well, which is great, because obviously if you have foreigners stay in your home or place of work, then you must register them with the police for our protection, apparently. So that's what we're doing. Part 2 of our motorcycling adventure will be up soon. In the meantime, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell.